Hi, I'm Shalev Amar with your Lemon Law Advocates. In today's video, what we're going to talk about is why you should never, ever disappear when you have a pending legal matter, when you're being represented by an attorney for a lemon law matter. Don't ever ghost your own attorney. Not a smart move. Before we get into the video, a little bit about my background. Been handling lemon law cases since all the way back in 2004. Thousands of cases at this point between my current firm and predecessor firms. And we have about close to a 99% success rate. And we've learned some things over the years, and that's what these videos are about, to help educate you about the lemon law claims process. So let's get into it. Here's why, and it might seem like common sense, but you should not disappear on your attorney if you're being represented in a lemon law matter, whether it's out of court or in court. Now look, with that being said, we totally understand that life happens. Vacations, emergencies, special events, pre-planned things. Life happens. There are things that happen that could make you can just take up your time and you won't be available for a while. All of that is 100% okay. But if you're gonna be gone, you need to communicate with your attorney. And here's why. The reason is because if you give your attorney a reason for why you cannot, can't respond to inquiries or to matters about your case, then it should be possible to get you an extension. I mean, people are human beings, whether it's other attorneys or representatives of the company or even in court, the judge, they understand life happens. If you just give them a legitimate reason, they will freely grant extensions. What can't happen though is you totally disappear. Your attorney's calling, emailing, the attorney's staff is calling, emailing, and you just completely don't respond. You basically disappear. That's a big problem. Here's why. If it's out of court, what can happen is if you have a pending offer, it can end up expiring. And if you're gone for a prolonged period of time, the company will just close the matter out. That only gives you the option of either dropping the matter and getting nothing, or going to court and having to file a lawsuit. And most cases, you shouldn't have to do that. 95% of our cases actually ultimately settle out of court. So you're preventing that from happening, potentially. Now, let's say you're in court. In court, it could be even worse because the judge can do what's called sanction you, which means harm your case, even fine you. Or even worse, the judge can end up dismissing your case for good. And then you end up not ever being able to recover, plus you're out, filing costs, stuff like that. So again, life happens, it's understandable, just communicate. Don't disappear for weeks, even months at a time, and think that there won't be negative repercussions to your case. So that's why, as long as you let your attorney know what's going on, you could be gone for weeks, you can even be gone for a couple of months in extenuating circumstances, and it'll be completely okay. So that's why you should always communicate with your attorney if you're gonna be gone for prolonged periods. If you want more information about lemon law claims, about the process from A to Z, please visit our website. That's ArizonaLemonLawAdvocates.com, or feel free to call us with any questions. Number is 480-237-2744. Remember, if your car's not up to par, call Amar.